This is my project from day one. Ta-da! There are 2 pins in the project.
So what is the project doing?
The LED is flashing.
And how many colours is it flashing? Okay, so how did you make 2 colours flash?
By the instructions, of course.
All right, so can you perhaps explain what is happening in the program?
So it's telling it to flash red once, then it's telling it to wait 250 milliseconds, then it's telling it to not flash at all, and then it's telling to wait for 250 milliseconds, and then it's saying to flash yellow, and then it's telling it to not do anything for 250 milliseconds, and then it's telling it to not flash yellow, and then it's telling it to pause for 250 milliseconds.
Okay, so why do we see multiple, why does it just keep on going?
Because there's a forever thing, of course.
Awesome. Was it fun doing it?
Don't tell this to my mother, but it wasn't really.
Is that because your mum was crazy?
She was cranky, that's why.
Are you going to ask people to subscribe?
Why not? Subscribe to... Where do we subscribe to?
I don't know.
Subscribe to somewhere.
Are you going to say goodbye?
No.
Oh.
Because on the 25th day I'm going to say goodbye.
Oh, okay. So is it see you tomorrow?
Next week. I mean tomorrow. Hallelujah!